Hey there, Betsy Heller, Achievers Realty, coming to you today from this beautiful home in Chula Vista. I'm at 1359 Indian Creek Place, which is a cul-de-sac street located in the East Lake High School District. And I'm going to just pan around behind me, and you can see the south side of the street and how quiet it is. And actually, you're going to see two neighbors returning home on this side. But what I want you to know is that this is a long cul-de-sac street. So if somebody's down it, they actually are living here, coming to visit somebody. So wanted to give you a quick shot at seeing how beautiful the entire front is in the neighborhood, the homes you'd be looking at. And now I'm going to reverse the camera and show you inside. Take a look inside and see how things are going, and we will see how that goes. All right, here we go. Walking inside this beautiful home. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, plus it was originally built out as a 3-car garage. So a 2-car garage in the front, and then the side on the right is a tandem. But these folks, who are original owners, had it built out as an office, or could be used as a downstairs bedroom. So I'm going to walk into this beautiful foyer, and you can see the soaring ceilings, and come around and see the nice front window and how peaceful it is out front. So that ficus tree has grown and provides nice protection from the street, along with that flowering tree right in front of the window. So you can see this living room, and as I pan around, you get a better view of this dining room area. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you how large that dining room area is. So you'll notice on here that you're able to certainly add some leaves, but if you wanted to turn the table the other way and add yet another 2 leaves to that table that already seats 6, so that maybe you could seat 12, you certainly could do that. So I'm going to keep moving forward, and we'll come back to the powder room. I want instead to focus on this family room area, which is fabulous. So this is a family room that is obviously open to the living room, dining room. You could lose that little TV section if you wanted in the middle, and make it one L-shaped great room if you wanted. Just back that fireplace up or lose it entirely, so you would have this whole living space. So you can see how beautiful that is and how much it lends itself to an open floor plan concept. So this already has a nice eat-up countertop, and you can see the gas cooktop and the built-in oven, the refrigerator there, and the pantry cabinets. And then just tucked back behind that is the laundry room, and then through that, the 2-car garage. I'm not gonna go ahead and show you that today. We've got it filled with some of the extra furniture for the sellers as they are preparing to move. And then this is the tandem garage that's also not quite ready for an open house presentation. The sellers use it as an office, and they've asked me not to really show you that part, but just know that the dimensions of that are on the MLS, and so they've been syndicated to Zillow and other sites, so you're able to see them. And then this is the backyard, which is a panoramic little gem of just park lake tranquility. That's really it. So straight ahead is an apricot tree. There's actually 3 of them, or I guess 2, but it sure looks like 3. There's one of them's got a really big branch there. And then you've got another fruit tree here that looks like it might be plums, or I'm not sure what that one is. And then this giant one here in the corner is a fig tree. And then as I go around, you can see some other, see if I can see any of the other fruit trees. I'm not very good at identifying, so we'll have to figure that out for you. But what I wanted you to see is you've got this nice little space that kids can play. You can certainly put out a nice hammock, or even put a shed in the back if you wanted to do some some outside work that you want to have your own potting shed, you've got room for it. They've got their barbecue here, plus obviously you can see the condenser for the AC. And this side just has, it's just got the path to the front side of the house. I've taken out the screens just so the inside is a little brighter as I'm showing this to you on the open house. And then we're going to go around to the other side so you can see that there is a walkway on this side that has a gate. So the trash cans go on this side, and there is a side door from this from what would be a fourth bedroom or the tandem 3-car garage, which is helpful because you could use that if you wanted to do an outside entrance for another small efficiency unit. And then you can just see in the distance towards the front of the house where the solar panel is located. And then obviously there are solar panels up on the roof. The trim has been freshly painted and the house has been pressure washed, so it's ready for your viewing on the outside. And now we're gonna head back inside and take a quick look again at this kitchen and how much fun it would be to hang out here with friends and family and be able to watch the big game in the wintertime or have a summer barbecue and be indoors and outdoors, as it is really obvious how easy it would be to entertain. So there's a downstairs powder room, and then the stairs go up with a landing in the midway up to the upstairs. So we're gonna go ahead and head upstairs, and I'm gonna stop at the landing and do a quick turnaround just so you can take a look at how this looks. So when you look down from here, you can see the nice vaulted ceiling, and then you can get a better view if there's a coat closet down there that's still packed up. It's still not packed up, it's still in use. So we'll go upstairs to the top. This is a wonderful home on a quiet street. Best of the best for this. Now this upstairs hallway, they've always used as a study area for their children. So you can put 2 desks, one here and one here, and turn them sideways, or you can do one on the end as I did it. So they have had it both ways in the past. I just thought I would show that to you so you get a better idea. And then this is the first bedroom, the front bedroom. It is a kid's room, and it's a great Jack and Jill bathroom. So you've got full closets right now. I can't really show those to you, but you've got, again, spacious area. This is set up for a queen bed or full bed. So you've got plenty of room. A nice linen closet here. And now we're on into the second bedroom. So the second bedroom, again, a nice closet size. You've got great bedroom. I'm gonna turn around just so you get a better view of things as you look around. We also have a 3D video online. So if I'm going a little quick for you, or you would rather not hear me monologuing, you can go ahead and view this yourself and just go online and look. So you can see how this is set up now. So you can see the reflection of these mirrors. This is the double sink countertop, and I'm gonna move forward to the water closet and the tub. So you've got a water closet here, a window, and the tub. So you've got shower head, and you've got a tub surround that's put in place. And now I'm gonna go ahead and go back out the other bedroom again. So we're back to the Star Wars room, and we will continue on to the master bedroom. So before we get there, just another quick peek down at the living room, dining room. How pretty that is. Plenty of open space for you. And again, as we come into this nice space, you can see how large it is, and you've got plenty of room in this master. Got an alcove here for a large dresser mirror, and then I come around to this side and you can see that you have plenty of room. You could even put another dresser there if you wanted, and obviously they have one with a TV on top of it, but you could mount a TV instead if you preferred that. Now I'm gonna walk towards the master bath and kind of give you a quick look there so you can see there's a water closet and the shower, the tub, and now you can see this beautiful double sink. And now we're gonna pan back around again so you can see how it aligns itself with the master bedroom. And again, personal effects. Sellers are still living here, so we've emptied out a bunch, but not everything. So there's still clothes in the closet. Seller's still living here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and head back down the stairs. I hope that you have really enjoyed this walkthrough. I'm gonna do one more tour around in case you missed this the first time, or perhaps I'll pick up some details that you didn't catch the first time around and let you make sure that you see it. I'll go up front and let you look at the solar panel, the solar panels, and not the solar panels themselves, but the actual connection for them that shows it's Solar City solar panels, and have you take a look at that. So again, here's your view from your new front door, and how beautiful is that? So you come out to this nice, quiet, tranquil street, and we'll walk over to the side and take a look at the information here on the solar panels, and you can see that it's set up for a 20 meg, and let's see if it gives us the wattage on it, and it's not quite telling us yet. Let's see. It is, it's only using 0.2 kilowatt hours right now. Let's see if it'll give us any more information on it. There you go. 1370 watts is all that it's using right now. The peak of the day is 2139 watts, which is still fairly low. So there you go. There's the connection for it. You've got some information on this. And hopefully this gives you the info you were looking for. Here's the side, so you can see this is the gate that I went through for the side. All right, I'm gonna go back out front and let you take one more look at the home from the street. And we've sure looked forward to getting this ready and presenting it to you. I know the sellers are excited about being able to share this home that they have lived in as original owners. So they've been here since 2000 when the house was built. So it's been well cared for, and it sure is a great neighborhood. All right, let us know if you have any questions. Again, I'm Betsy Heller at Achievers Realty. Looking forward to being able to help you get this wonderful house as your new home. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.